To other news now, fresh calls from law enforcement for Jamaicans to be careful when traversing the island's roadways. The appeal follows two deadly road crashes in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, mere hours apart. Amoy Harriet has the details.
Yo, Judge, what's on that chop, brother?
It was shortly before 10 p.m. on Friday in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. 22-year-old firefighter Shaheen Nelson took her last breath. She was on her way home from work when tragedy struck. The driver of a truck was in the process of negotiating a right turn onto the Angels Toll Plaza when its rear wheels collided with the front section of the Honda Fit being driven by Miss Nelson. Less than 24 hours later, minutes away from that location, another two-vehicle collision. This time, 3 persons died. It happened along Brunswick Avenue shortly after 3 o'clock Saturday afternoon.
From information received so far, both vehicles were traveling in the same direction along Walks Road towards Angels. However, the motor truck, while moving, the Nissan AD wagon ended up under the motor truck, colliding where the driver and the female passenger in the front lost their lives on the spot. A third person, said to be a 17-year-old female, was transported to the hospital where she died whilst being treated.
The deceased are 73-year-old driver Cecil Kemp, passengers 17-year-old Jamelia Wallace, a student, and Patsy Gaynor, all residents in the parish. They're among 255 persons who have been killed in road crashes since the start of the year. Having gone 8 days into September already, 8 fatalities have been recorded. Authorities are concerned and have a warning.
This kind of madness on our roads does not have to happen. We can put a stop to this. And one of the things that we need to come to terms with is the matter of safe speeds. We are just traveling too fast on our roads, and it is causing mayhem. We have to continue to make sure that we have safe vehicles. Too many people are dying because when a crash occurs, a car crumples and people die. And of course, we need to have safe road users. There are far too many people who are still driving under the influence of alcohol and ganja. Both the private sector and the government, civil society need to put in the kind of resources that is absolutely needed to stop the carnage.
When you see traffic collisions such as these where they occurred at intersections where traffic lights are installed, properly working, I would implore motorists to obey the traffic lights and to proceed with caution. Even when the light is on green, you should proceed when the way is clear, and not just proceed because you believe you have the right of way. I will also implore the drivers to approach large motor vehicles such as tractor trailers with caution, as larger vehicles will normally occupy a wider portion of the roadway.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.